Mga kanegosyo, steaming food in small quantities can be inefficient for your business. Di ba nga? The bigger, the better. With Buy and Earn Cabinet Steamer, you can steam large quantities of food just as you should. It's easy to use. Pihitin mo lang ang handles para buksan, ilagay ang food products to be steamed sa loob ng mga drawer, at isara ito ulit. This can be used to prepare various foods with steam heat, tulad ng frozen siomai, embutido, kakanin, leche flan, o kaya pichi. Pwede rin itong magamit for cooking rice or steaming fish and veggies and many more. It's 84 centimeters in width, 86 centimeters in depth, and 170 centimeters in height. The trays inside are 60 by 60 centimeters. Just imagine how much product you can fit in the Buy and Earn Cabinet Steamer. Go big! Just call the number on your screen or set a virtual meeting with us.